Our promise to you here at Nelson Elder Care Law is that we're going to focus on relationship first planning. It means that our guarantees are more than words. It's our way of making a commitment to you that your family matters as much to us as they matter to you. Here at Nelson Elder Care Law, we know price is important. And that's why one of our fundamental guarantees is the price lock guarantee. We want to make sure that whenever you start work with us, you have clear, flat rate pricing so that you're not getting charged surprise bills like attorneys that charge hourly. With our flat fee rates, the price you're quoted is the price you pay. This allows you to be able to focus on your family rather than surprise billings. One of the things that we want to make sure that you have whenever you work with our relationship promise is that you understand everybody's welcome. We want all the decision makers present. If you feel more comfortable having your son, your daughter, or all your children with you, we want to create an environment that's comfortable, that everybody has an opportunity to hear. I'm a huge fan of the concept that having an extra set of ears really goes further. Sometimes whenever we talk with a professional, whether it be a financial advisor, a lawyer, or a doctor, if it's about us, we don't always hear. I personally had this experience, and being able to have somebody there with me is something that gives me peace of mind. And we want to share that with you and your family. We guarantee family first protection. We want to make sure that we're protecting the assets, but the biggest asset of all is the life that you've built, the legacy with your loved ones, making sure that not only we're protecting you and your decision making, the assets you've created, but the values and virtues that you want to hand down to your family, making sure that your plan is not going to cause headaches or fights later on because it was well designed from the beginning. Whenever we talk about family first protection, it's not just about the money. It's about your values. We make a follow-through promise to you. With so many firms, whenever you start the process, you might not end it. But here at Nelson Elder Care Law, we know that we have to get you over the finish line. We guarantee that you'll have a signed, funded, and therefore you plan whenever life throws you a curveball. Because we see this as a relationship and not just a transaction, we know that whenever life throws you a curveball, you're going to need a resource. You're going to need a team behind you. And that's what we're here to provide. We give you a communication guarantee. We know that as you go through this process, you're going to have questions. And because these are big things, your life, your legacy, and your money, we want to make sure that we get those answered quickly. Whenever you ask a question through our online portal, it's going to be answered the same day. If you need some kind of response other than that, we're going to contact you and set that up as a scheduled call or a scheduled meeting so that you always know what the next steps are. Whenever you work with us, we understand that communication is key to help keep your anxiety and your stress low. And that's what we're here to do. Whenever you go work with a financial advisor, a doctor, or a lawyer, often they use jargon, fancy words that maybe just aren't plain English. Here at Nelson Elder Care Law, we make a plain language promise to you. Whenever we're explaining things, we want to make sure that you understand it in normal language. We're not here to try and bamboozle you or show you how smart we are by using terms that aren't common language. We want this to be written as simply as possible so that you, your family, and the next generations can all understand it. If for any reason you ever feel like you don't understand something, that's what we're here for, to explain and guide you through any questions you might have. Our plain language guarantee means that we're not going to use jargon. It's not like whenever you go see a professional like an attorney or a doctor or a financial advisor and they're talking over your head. We want to make sure that we're talking at your level. We want to make sure that you clearly understand all the aspects so that you can confidently make the decisions that are right for you and your loved ones and create a space where if you don't understand something, you feel free to ask. There are no silly questions here. This is your life and your legacy, and we want to make sure you're happy. Our main driving force here at Nelson Elder Care Law is making sure that you get the results you want. And a key part of that is our relationship first planning philosophy. Whenever you work with Nelson Elder Care Law, we want to make sure that we're creating a relationship with you and not just a transaction. We want you to understand that you're not just getting legal tools or documents. You're really getting a team. Whenever you trust us with your family, we treat you like family. We're here for you, whether it be now or in the future. Whenever life throws you a curveball in the future, we want you to feel like you have a team behind you. Every plan we come up with is created individually tailored to you and your family's needs, and the relationship that comes from that gives you clarity and backing so that whatever life brings your way, you're prepared.